We just talked about the global scope, but right now something more I just want to teach you. Here I'm just creating another variable function in here. This is a func5. Okay, actually what I just want to teach you, I just want to teach you about the static scope, that how to make static local variables. Here I'm just making the val2 is equals to 2. Okay, so here I'm just typing val2 plus plus. It means I'm just incrementing, or I'm just putting here 0 and now it is 1. Okay, now what I'm just doing, actually I'm just echoing it as well, or instead of directly echoing, I'm just typing echo, and here I'm just typing the value is, okay, here I'm just putting the value. And how I'm just putting the value, now I'm just using the double quotes way. This is more preferred way, by the way. So here I'm just typing val2. Let's just save it and just use this function here, func5. Okay, not in this way. Now this is more perfect. Save it and go to the browser to check what I just made. But before checking, just add another echo for a line break, means the BR. You already knew about it. By the way, here I'm just refreshing this. Now the value is 1. Okay, the initial value is 0, but when I just applied the plus plus signs, mean the increment sign, so it will become the val2. Okay, now I'm just getting the value here in func5 as 1. But if I just use this func5 another time, just save it. Okay, I'm just going to the browser and refreshing that. I'm just getting again the value is 1. One thing more I just want to do it here, adding a BR here. Okay, BR, save it, go to the browser, refresh that. Now the value is 1. Now the noticing thing is I just applied the plus plus here, so why it is not incrementing? Now one thing more I just want to clear you, that the value is 0, I just added plus plus, it is now 1. I just used it here as 1. Okay, now here it is just showing 1, but when I just replay or recall this func5, now it is again 0. Why it is 0? Because as you know that the value is updating again to 0. I can accept that the val5, when I just run the function func5, it has become the 1. But when I just recall the func5, then again it got the value of 0, and now again it is 1. So it is showing the 1 again and again. But save it and refresh that. Now you can see that the value is 1 1 1. But I know another solution of that. If you just want the variable to remember the old value, so here I'm just putting the static keyword. Now it is actually a local variable, but right now when I just call it multiple times, it will remember the previous value. Okay, now when I just update this value and it just become 1 here, now it is 1. When I just recall this function, now it got the val2 0 again, but it isn't updating now. This is why, because it just has the static keyword. It means it is just preferring the previous value, and here I'm not using the static keyword, so it is updating. It means this is 1. When I just recall the function, it isn't get the new data. Okay, and here it just updated, and actually it becomes 2. So I hope you understood the what I'm just doing here. Refresh this now. 1 2 3 4. Okay, every time I'm just calling the function again, it is just updating itself, the val2 actually, by using the incrementing operator, and actually not getting the 0 just because of a static variable, a static scope, and this variable is called the static variable. So I hope you understood.